my God, look at these viral videos made with Google AI Veo 3. Now I'll show you how anyone can use Veo 3 completely free for 15 months in just 4 steps. And the deadline is June 30th, so act fast. Step 1, you need to pretend you're in one of the 5 eligible countries. That's where a VPN comes in. We recommend X-VPN, trusted by over 100 million users worldwide. It's fast, secure, and super stable. I'm connecting through a US server. Step 2, open Google in Incognito mode and go to the link. I've put it in the description below. Now sign in with your Google account. You can try both new and old accounts to see which one works better. Some creators say new accounts have a higher success rate. Step 3, time to verify your student status. You'll need a school-affiliated email. Open this website, I've linked it below. First, complete the human verification. Then, you'll see it defaults to Edumail. No need to change that. You can either enter a custom username or let it generate one for you. In my experience, typing it manually has a higher success rate. Click Create, then copy the email. Go back and click Verify. Now switch back to the email site, refresh, scroll down. There's your Google verification code. Copy it, paste it, hit submit, and congrats, you're now eligible for the Google AI Pro student discount. Step 4, and we're almost done. Click Start Trial. Here, you'll need to add a payment method. Don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before Sept 24, 2026. I used a credit card. If you don't have a debit or credit card, you can try finding or buying a virtual card or explore other payment methods. And that's it. You've got 15 months of Google AI Pro for free. You can now use Veo 3 inside Gemini to generate videos, or try it in Flow where the features are even more complete. Just select the Veo 3 model and you're ready to go. But you only get 1,000 credits per month, and different models use up different amounts. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. Let's figure it out together.